Hello dear viewers, James Braithwaite here, and you join me behind the wheel of a Corsa D with a bit of an unusual take as far as I'm concerned. It is one with a rather interesting gearbox. Feels like a sequential shift that you get in a rally car, but there's no clutch. And you just flick through the gears. It's a bit shaky, but maybe that's just because I'm not used to driving things like this. Well, with this kind of gearbox anyway. I've done automatics, I've done manuals, but never Tiptronics. I'm just manoeuvring this at the minute. Click it left, you click the gear lever, left to go up, right to go down, and reverse. So, just have to wait until I've got my slot in the garage. Sorry about this, I've got a bit of a blockage, someone's pulled right in. Well anyway, I'll show you a brief thing. I mean, it's just a Corsa, really nice room about, and of course the Tiptronic gearbox there. Not really much left to be said about it. It's a nice car all round, good headroom, and perfect for the town, you know, with the so you don't have to keep changing gear all the time. Anyway, I will see you in the next one. Bye.